So you'll probably remember that my driver's seat has been rocking and it's been driving me crazy. So I'm just going to take it out and I'm going to fix it in this video. Seat rocks. So if I hold it here, you'll see it moving. I'm gonna have to just take all this off, have a look at the screws inside, see why it's not staying still. It moves a lot, it's annoying. So to remove the seat, you will just need either a 14mm socket or a 9/16. So just remove these bolts here, and then on the back. Under this plastic cover and under this plastic cover. You basically just remove these by pulling on the sides here and try to pull it backwards. Like that. And like that. And that's it. Now before unplugging all your harness for your seatbelts and your airbag sensors, just make sure that you take the battery out for 5 to 10 minutes beforehand, and to allow all the electricity to drain from the lines before you start unplugging anything, because it's possible that the airbag will go off. So yeah, just unplug all these. Put these back in so that you don't lose them. Just put them back into where they go, because you will probably lose them. So all I've done was just took off this cover. There's a couple of clips, one here and one up here. So I just gently removed this. This is a 14, so I can get in at this, because I couldn't get in at all with a 12 spanner just to get in at this to tighten it up. This was loose, this was loose, this was loose. I'm basically just going to tighten up everything that I can see that's loose. Okay, so I've tightened this up, and this one in here, and I had to remove this to get to that. These are 312s, and then this is a 14. And I've also put Loctite on everything just in case. But now I'm going to put the cover back on, and I'm going to do the other side then. So I just moved on to the second side, and this nut was loose, this one was okay, and then this nut was loose. To wait to get this off though, I'll show you now in a second. But also, don't do what I done. Look, and that's just because I had it on this rather than the grass. I don't know why I done that. But there's all scratches everywhere now. Anyway, it is what it is. But anyway, yeah, this is where I don't have to take this off completely, because I can get in at the nuts from here. So I'll show you how this works. Right, so this is how this works. There's a screw that goes in here, then you have your wheel, and this clip. Now this clip slots into that little gap on both sides, so it goes in this way. When the wheel is on, this piece will go in to this sort of gap here on this bar. Right, so you put the clip back in like this, and you hold it like that while you put it on, and then when you release it, it will pull back and lock in. Okay. So right, I have the seat back in now. Just going to put the nuts back in. To put these covers back in as well. They never really fit right. Oh, okay, that one worked. Now, just to connect these up. Hello! Hello! And now you can see with the seat back in, there's no more rocking in it. It doesn't move at all now. So, it's nice and tight. Now it's back in and there's no rock, and it's a lot better when you're driving, and it doesn't do this when you're driving then, you know, so it's not too bad. I like it. I'm not saying it's not going to come loose again. It may become loose again, but I did put Loctite on it, so hopefully it will hold it in place and not move so much anymore, but it's fixed. I've decided I'm going to change that aerial. It's just too long and it's ugly. Look at it. It's all broken and everything. And the length of it. So I'm going to just change this aerial. I'm just going to change it with this smaller one here. It's like a carbon fiber style, but it's very small. It's pretty cool. You can't see it. Hold on, zoom, focus. Yeah, it's very small. It has a little screw on part. You got these adapters with it. Yeah, let's see what it looks like. You kind of have to find the right size to fit in here. Tighten that up. Yes, it's hailstones. Rain as usual in Ireland. Put that down there. This go all the way down, no? Does this go all the way down? No, it doesn't go all the way down. Okay, we'll work that out. Oh, there's a shorter one there, look. There's a shorter one. We'll use the shorter one. Take that off, put the short one on. Yes, I am doing this in the rain. It's hailstones. Meow, this one should go on a lot better here. Oh, where you going? Come back. Now, hold on, move you a little bit more. Look, hailstones, hailstones. Anyway, just tighten this up. Yeah, that looks much better. Alright, let's get in out of the rain. Doesn't that look so much better? Cool. Yeah, I also replaced this. You can see it's all broken. I replaced it from that side, and that one there, I decided to tint them. See them? See the way they're blacker now? So I'll probably tint the lights. I'll probably debadge it as well, maybe. But and then with black windows, I'm just gonna black the whole lot of it and get new reg plates. Ah! They left me window open. Look. Ugh. Close that. Look. 5 minutes ago it was sunny. It's May. Look, icy parts from the sky. Just give me sunshine, Ireland. Give me sunshine. And just 5 minutes later or so, look, well, maybe 10 minutes or so, it's sunny again. It's sunny. It's sunny. This is Ireland. Hey, look, there's two flies having sex.